How to download Telegram on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video, we will learn how we can download or install Telegram in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up a browser, head towards the search bar and type in download Telegram and search for it. Now you will see this first link on your interface that says Telegram desktop. Click on the link. Now once you land on the official website, as you can see, there is this button that says get Telegram for Windows. All you have to do is click on it and the download will start, as you can see right here. Once the download is complete, you can open up this file. Now once the download is complete, you can open up the file. Then we have to set up it in our device. So select the language, click on OK. Now you can select your destination, then click on next. Click on yes. Click on next and again next. Now click on install. You can click on finish. Now you can open up Telegram in your device and you have to log in into your account. Click on start messaging. Now you can directly log in from your mobile Telegram by scanning the QR code given right here. And that's the way to download and install Telegram in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.